So in this video we will see some hover animation. Let me just create new folder. YouTube practice. Okay, nothing is there. And I will open this folder in my VS Code. You can use another, I mean if you like another like Sublime or Atoms. Let me just close those and I will open the folder YouTube practice. Okay, this is welcome page, and just create new file, 1.html, save it. Okay, just type here something. Give it a title, hover effect. Save this. Let me resize this. I will just split screen so we can see code and output at the same time. So this is output and this is code. Okay, so I will just use hover effect on some div. Just consider and give it a class. You can use ID also, no, just any selector div, and I will call it as container. And suppose this div has nothing, I mean for just time being. I just forgot head tag. And we need style tags to style the elements in the body. So using the class selector, let just give it some height, suppose 200 pixel, and width of 200 pixel. And if we refresh this, we are not able to see anything. To see this block 200 by 200, we need to give it some background. Okay, just say background of black here. And now we are able to see that division, I mean container. So hover effect means when we on this particular area, I mean this 200 by 200 area, means we are hovering it. Okay, so to give that effect we need to specify the class on which we want to use hover effect, and then colon and then hover, and then open curly braces, and write the styles which you want to apply on hovering. So I want to change background to say coral, and just save and refresh the page. And this is on remaining body, and I am on that container. It will change the color. Okay, this is hover effect. Thank you.